What's up, everyone? This is Matt from Ozark Overland Adventures, and today I want to start something kind of different. I want to start a new series on the channel that's kind of a vlog. It's not going to be a daily vlog, maybe a couple episodes a week, but I want to call it the real life. What?
Real world.
Not real world.
Yes.
Okay, my wife says real world Overlander. I was going to say real life Overlander, but we'll appease her and say real world Overlander. And the idea behind it is that most of us, I'd say almost all of us, that would call ourselves an Overlander, we don't get to do it full time. We have day jobs, or night jobs, we have normal jobs. We don't get to live full time out overlanding. And so I wanted to do this series to, just show what do we do, or what do I do? I don't know what you do, but what do I do day to day? Quit laughing. What do I do day to day to prepare for trips, to get ready for trips, to be inspired for trips, that sort of thing. And so I've got a couple things that I want to tackle today, a couple things to do in Gaia for a couple upcoming trips. I've got a painting project for the camper that I want to tackle today. But first, I have to go to the post office because this is the real world, right? Taking Kara's Grand Cherokee for one reason. Well, two reasons. One, it's really comfortable. And two, mine doesn't have any gas. And I don't have time to go get gas. So I'm taking the trip off. So I've got to go to the post office. Like I said, this is real life stuff here. It may be boring to you. I don't know. Oh crap. Well, that was more painful than it should have been, but I got it done. All right, home from my errands. Got a little painting project. So I've got this shelf that I got for the outside of the camper, just a quick fold down table for cooking and whatnot. But as you can see, it's bare aluminum. And I thought I would like it on the camper, but I don't. So I'm gonna take that off and paint it. I've already started on the shelf portion. Got 2 coats of primer on it. I'm going to add at least one more coat of primer to that, and then primer the other one, and then paint it black. Yeah. Y'all want to see some lazy dogs? I know y'all know Oakley. At least, whoops. Well, some of y'all may know Oakley, but there's Roxy and Ruby, my 2 Chinese cresteds. They're sisters. There's Oakley and his little, hey buddy, his little hidey hole under the love seat. And then here's Charlie. Hey bear. I've got 2 trips coming up. One is just a day trip that I want to explore some new areas in the Ozarks. And then the other one is a multi-day trip that I've got in mid-February. And I'm super excited about that one. It's with a few other YouTubers. And one of the guys that's coming has a full-size pickup, and he's bringing a trailer. So I've got to figure out what trails are going to be best for a full-size rig in the Ozarks. Because if you've seen any of my videos, you know there's a lot of tight trails that, first of all, aren't really full-size friendly, and especially not full-size with a trailer. So that's going to be a challenge. I think I've got a good idea of where to go, and definitely some good places to camp. But this next trip, like I said, is just a day trip. So like I said, I want to explore new trails. So what I do is go into Gaia. I'm looking at the Ozark, most of the Ozark National Forest here. Whoops. And I just want to see where I've never been before. This is the U.S. Forest Service Classic map. This is the motor vehicle use map overlay, the MVUM overlay. And I don't know if you've noticed this or not, but Gaia's made some improvements on their web browser interface, and they have separated the overlays from the layers tab. You used to access the overlays right here on the layers tab, but now the overlays are separate. So I'm just going over here and turn on routes and tracks, and boom, there's all my tracks in the Ozarks. So you can see, there's definitely some pockets of stuff that I have never covered before, and I'd really like to fill that in this year. Most of the stuff I haven't covered are out and back trails. But and some of the stuff that you see on here doesn't exist anymore, like this trail through here. That's not there. I don't even know why it's still on the MVUM, but it is, and it's frustrating. I'm really stuck right now on trying to find some campsites on a bluff line. There's a ton of campsites on streams, and I love them, but I would love to find a couple campsites on a bluff line in the Ozarks, and I just haven't found hardly any for whatever reason. These two areas up here by the Big Piney, this right here would make a little loop right here on this ridge line, and it would be awesome if there was a little campsite there, this little offshoot maybe, or this little offshoot here in this area. Man, if I could find a bluff line that overlooked the Big Piney down here, oh, that'd be amazing. And then up here, there's this loop that runs along this ridge line. And if I could find another campsite there, it also overlooks the Big Piney. And then it has this offshoot that says it runs down here on the Big Piney. Like you can access the Piney from this trail. So I think this is what I'm gonna check out. And fill in some of these. I mean, I may find nothing, but a good day spent out in the woods is better than staying home any day, right? So I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take a little day trip, run both of these little loops, and then if I have time, I'll go run this loop as well, and this little loop around Meadows Knob here, and see what I can find. That'll be obviously a separate video, but yeah, I think that's the plan. I think that's what I'm gonna do. So let me turn these off now because I don't want to clutter up my screen. And as far as the other trip goes with the other YouTubers in February, that's going to be more of a challenge. There's nothing on the map that shows, how wide a trail is. So I just have to do this from memory. I think a full-size rig pulling a trailer. Gosh, I think there's, the thing is, these guys, well, a couple of them have been at the Ozarks before. One of them is Grant, who you've seen on the channel before if you watched the Bonfire Run videos from earlier this year. Grant's going to be on this trip with me. And then I know one of the other guys has been in the Ozarks, but the rest have not. So, I want to show them just the incredible beauty of the Ozarks. But again, I want to be respectful to the guy who's got a full-size rig, and not just totally tear it up and bang the trailer between narrow trees and that sort of stuff. So I think we'll definitely run part of the Ozark Overland Adventure Trail. I know there's a section along North Fork, Illinois Bayou that was on day 5 that has multiple stream crossings, and that would be gorgeous. We'll have to see what the water levels are like then. I don't think a big full size is really going to have much issue in water crossings, but you never know. And so run part of that, and then we can jump over and take them up to Pilot Rock area. And that ridge line is just gorgeous, incredible views from there. And then if there's water flowing, probably take them up to Car Wash Falls, which is day 3, I think, day 2 or day 3, day 3. of the Ozark Overland Adventure Trail, and then maybe take them over to the old homestead, which is also day 3. I think, yeah, which is also day 3. Because I think he can handle that trail just fine. My wife's on a call. So I think that's the plan. I think these are done. Boom. I don't know if y'all can hear that. Somebody's getting in trouble. New neighbors. Anyway, I think that's gonna be sweet. Super convenient.
I think that looks like crap.
What?
It looks real bad.
It does not.
It does too.
It does not.
It does too. It looks so bad. It looks like you took a piece of cardboard and you sprayed it.
Okay, but I mean, I don't know why it's textured like that. I don't know if that's the spray paint or what. No.
Yeah, you literally could have. You took
I don't know why.
Sander.
But it's going on a camper. It's going to get dirty.
Yeah, and probably scratched and everything else.
Exactly.
No.
So it looks better than the aluminum.
No, it really doesn't.
It does
How
too.
much was it? Can we order another one?
No, we can't order another one.
Why? That's not front runner quality.
That's because Front Runner doesn't make those.
Well, maybe there's a reason. Maybe, you know what? Wasn't this available in black?
We're not buying a new one.
Why not?
Yes, that's
you could probably sell this to one of your friends. Throw it in with the Coleman stove.
This is real life. There you go. I told you this was going to be real
crap.
world overlanding and overlanders. Real world, what are we calling this thing? Real world overlanders.
Real world.
Overlander.
That's MTV.
Yes. Well,
That
there you
looks
go.
real bad.
It does not look real bad.
I mean, maybe we could put stickers all over it.
Okay.
Good.
I'm down.
There we go.
There we go. Anybody has stickers they want to donate to filling this up. There we go.
It's going to take, we need to measure it.
I mean, I told you I had orange vinyl. I could put orange vinyl on the outside. We've still got...
I mean, that would be okay until you got enough stickers.
I've still got some orange vinyl that we did the camper with. And I could put it on the outside. And it would be...
Oh, you know what you could do?
It'd be orange vinyl here. But then... Open that. Open it. But then all this right here would still be black.
This side doesn't look like crap.
It's still the same texture.
But it doesn't look like crap.
I don't know. Maybe it's the way the light's hitting it.
But you know how Chris...
But I could make this... I could make this orange.
Babe, you know how Chris has that welcome to our campsite, like that looks like the National Forest thing?
Yeah, vaguely.
Maybe we could do something like that. You can get it on Etsy.
What?
But this looks like crap.
Okay.
The sticker's okay. I'd be okay with stickers.
All right, we can put stickers on it. We got some stickers.
Okay.
You know, we got some OOAT stickers, and we got some
I don't think it needs any more orange.
okay.
But I'm thinking we could even make like a design. You should have painted this like a design. Like kind of like those air.
I don't even know Picasso.
I mean, obviously. But what is that camper, that old school camper that I really want a camper? What are they called?
I don't remember. It's got the little zigzag thing on it?
Yeah.
I'm not painting a zigzag on that. Yes, I'm not
Shasta.
painting a zigzag on that.
I mean, it looked better than that.
I mean, it looked better. I like it. I like this better.
I think stickers would be okay.
Okay.
You're a sticker.
All right, so there you go. If y'all got some stickers you want to donate, message me.
No, not just any stickers.
Okay, good stickers.
No. I mean,
Apparently, we got a standard for stickers now, too. What the crap?
Well, I'm just saying. I mean, my quality is a little bit higher than you.
Let's go back inside. God. See what I live with?
Every day.
This is the real world right here. This is real world overlanders. God.